In the Murmansk region, ice pancakes were filmed, which form under certain weather conditions. These amazing formations occur when the air temperature drops to zero, it snows, and strong winds blow. In such conditions, waves break the thin ice into fragments and the cold water rolls them into pancake-like shapes. This natural phenomenon amazes with its beauty, and although few have seen it, it is worth a look. And if you decide to try, keep in mind the pancakes may be too cold to eat. The main thing is not to forget to bring a thermos with hot tea to warm up in nature.